Hi everyone, Jack here. If you've been wondering which languages your AirPods can translate in real time with iOS 26, you're in the right place. Today I'll tell you all the supported languages, what's new in the iOS 26.1 beta, and I'll also point you to my other videos on how to turn on live translation and how to fix it if it's not working on your AirPods Pro. Live translation on AirPods is a game changer. You can have a conversation with someone speaking another language and hear the translation right in your ear. It's hands-free, quick, and super helpful for travel, school, or work. It's like having your own travel interpreter. As of right now on iOS 26, AirPods support live translation for these languages: English in both US and UK versions, French, German, Portuguese for Brazil, and Spanish. If you speak or hear any of these languages, you can start using live translation today as long as it's available in your region. Apple has already expanded the list in iOS 26.1 beta. Here are the newly added languages: Chinese Mandarin Simplified, Chinese Mandarin Traditional, Italian, Japanese, and Korean. That means by the end of 2025, live translation on AirPods is expected to support at least 10 languages in total. To use any of these, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26 update and your AirPods firmware is fully up to date. If you don't know how to turn on live translation, check out my other video called How to Turn on Live Translation on AirPods. And if you've tried to use it but it's not working, watch my troubleshooting guide titled Live Translation Not Working on AirPods Pro, Fix It Fast. That's the complete list of supported languages so far, plus what's coming in the new beta. I'd love to hear which language you're most excited to try, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, tap the like button, share it with a friend who's traveling soon, and subscribe for more quick iPhone and AirPods tips. Thanks for watching. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next one.